Alright, so I got these bad boys off Amazon a little while ago. Can't remember exactly how long ago, but they white, yellow switchback LEDs. And they sequential too. Look at that, about 9.5 inches long. And my turn signal housing is about 10 inches long, so it ought to fit in there pretty good. Alright, now this is just to test everything out. Got it hooked up to the jump box right here. And when I turn the jump box on, ooh, bright light. Bright light. Now, that's daytime running lights. So, if I take this yellow wire, you can see it. That's supposed to be what's gonna happen when you hit the turn signal. And the other one. There's no way to adjust the timing of the turn signal, but I ain't that worried about it.